Alright. We've got this Victoriaplum.com toilet here. I believe it's Orchard. Okay, so I think that's what it's called. We'll have a quick look. I'll confirm what the name is later. So what we'll do is just tip this over. Right, so it's literally a bog standard toilet. That's what it looks like from the side. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. So yeah, pretty decent. I mean, can't complain there. But of course the toilet is not complete without this system, including flush fitting, new RAS. Okay, so we're just going to open that up. Obviously be careful not to go too deep with your razor, you might end up scoring the china itself. Let's do this beautiful reveal. You can see the bottom right there. Remove that. What I'll do is I'll take this out. Now, they normally screw on the lid somehow. That's pretty much what it looks like. This is loose, by the way, so it doesn't get tightened on. So don't just willy-nilly go dropping it anywhere when you take out the actual cistern. It does come with everything you need. So we've got the securing nuts here, which secure the cistern to the base or the pan, and you get a donut. This is a donut that mainly fits this type of cistern, and you can probably tell here it comes pre-fitted. I do like it when manufacturers pre-fit, but always double check and tighten these. It doesn't always mean these are going to be tight, and there are human errors and things like that, so double check that all the washers and everything are in there. You can normally see, because you can see the black rubber, and yeah, just give it a little nip up. Sometimes it does come loose during transit. This is how they come. 2 nuts, right? This is going to be for the bottom, so we're going to totally remove all these nuts actually. There we go, finally got there. Jeez. Might sit on the bog just to show you. And try not to fall over or fall into the toilet. Don't know how I'm going to do this. Right. So, we can see the 2 holes here at the bottom. We push this all the way in. So you push that in all the way. And from inside, we get that in there. And then it pokes all the way out. And the smaller nut. So we put that in first. And then we put the nut on. Trying to hold it on inside, and we just screw that on, just like that. Now this is going to stop the water that's in here from spilling out, so it does have to be quite tight. You want to make sure that the washer has gone into the hole, and we're just going to tighten that up. Now if you need to, there is a bit that you can put a screwdriver in to hold it in from inside, whilst you screw this in. I normally find that the washer just holds it in place anyway. And we've got the two fixing bolts in place. We're gonna make sure that these are tight as well, and they are. I think this one is as well, but we're just gonna try to tighten it with some tools. Now get the donut, and we place the donut over this, just like that. And it doesn't need to go all the way around. It's literally just going on the lip of this. So you see this bit here, that's literally grabbing within here. All right, so you're not pushing it all the way in, you're just letting it grab and sit. So that's it, and that's what it looks like. So it's not pushed in all the way at all. Okay, and then what we can do now is put this in place on the toilet. Now it is going to possibly fall over, so I'm going to have to find a way to help you guys out, see what's going on. So let's move you over here. So I'm going to move you guys over here so you can see what's happening. We need these three pieces. First is the rubber washer. That goes up there. That protects the toilet. Then we've got this anti-grip ring, which stops the washer from becoming deformed. There we go. So yeah, pro tip, don't use the old ones. They might not fit. So there we go. And the nuts, that goes in. Now what we want to do is make sure that our donut in there is still sitting flush, which it is. And then just from here, we continue to tighten at both ends evenly. We don't want it to distribute its weight unevenly. Now we know it's screwed in. We know it's screwed in because it's actually touching here on both sides. So we shouldn't really be doing it much more than that. Now it will have a bit of a flap like that, because ideally you want to screw it in here to the wall. Now before we put this into place, what we'll do is check the previous washer. It seems fine. So if it was brass, that would be my check that there's no leaks. Move that. There we go. Right to the right level. So that's all in. We're just going to give it a quick test flush. And then check underneath here. You still have to clean up all of this, by the way, guys. So don't worry about all of this. This is just a test run. It's all filled with water now. Got no leaks anywhere. Gonna check the flexi as well. Flexi's fine. We have the Victoriaplum.com toilet seat. It looks like this. The bracket itself is fitted onto the toilet seat. We just need to push it. It's got a little latch there. So if you try to take this off, it doesn't come off. You've actually got to click it into that place and remove this. So what we do is we put this there. The latch is facing out. We put these holders in. Put the next holder in. We've got these nuts. Make sure that it's all sitting pretty flush in there. Put that nut in as well. let's go for center here. Just by moving it. That's it. And then we've got these bits here. So there we go. Now it makes more sense for it to go this way because that goes into the toilet. So I'm going to ignore the instructions on that and do it this way. We're just going to do it loosely for now and see how this all fits. I'm going to do the other side. So I'm just doing the other side now. Right, so it's loosely in. I'm gonna grab the toilet and, sorry, the toilet seat, and it just slides into place, just like that. And then it's a soft close, so you don't want to force it down. And we're just gonna see if it aligns. We look inside, we don't want to see the rim. And that looks great to me. Don't see any problems with that. Can maybe move back a bit further perhaps. That seems alright. So that's it. That's the toilet in. Lovely. Just need to do a bit of a clean up. That's it, closing. If you do want to remove the seat, click it over to the side and pull it out. Just like that. That stays in place. So you can just slide it back in if you wanted to. And that's it, it's back in place now.